ViewSonic VP2788-5K review. Finally, a 5K monitor that charges my 16-inch too.
Remember Sunday night, staring at a blurry 4K screen, zooming in like a hawk just to read your own type, knowing Monday's client presentation is going to look slightly off again? That quiet panic when colors shift between your MacBook and monitor? Yeah, type same if that's still you. Drop it in the comments right now.
That knot in your stomach when the print proof comes back wrong isn't just part of the job. It's exhausting. You're tired of gambling with client work. Stay with me for the next 30 seconds because there's a monitor that finally ends the guessing game without turning your desk into a cable nightmare. Here's what actually happened. I plugged in the ViewSonic VP2788-5K one random Tuesday when my studio display went in for repair. I was grumpy, expecting a downgrade. 10 minutes later, I was laughing at myself. Suddenly, my type was razor sharp without scaling tricks. Colors looked identical from MacBook to monitor, and my 16-inch was charging at full 96 watts through one Thunderbolt cable. No dock, no dongles, no drama. Last month, my buddy Alex, motion designer, always late, called me at 2:14 a.m. panicking about a client deck due at 9 a.m. Colors were shifting like crazy on his old setup. I told him to grab the VP2788-5K I had in the office. He daisy-chained it to his MacBook Pro, opened the file, and everything just clicked. The reds stayed red, the skin tones stayed human, and he sent the deck at 8:37 a.m. He still texts me, "You saved my ass," every time he uses it. That's the accidental breakthrough. The ViewSonic VP2788-5K doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like Apple forgot to ship this version.
So here's what you actually get. 5K sharpness that makes text look wet ink crisp. Pantone validated colors you can bet your reputation on. 99% DCI-P3 that survives client Zoom screen shares. Full 96-watt charging so your laptop never hunts for a brick again. A proper ergonomic stand that doesn't wobble when you pivot to portrait. And a built-in USB hub and KVM that kills cable clutter for good. Display analyst Ross Young called it the most complete Mac-compatible 5K monitor under $2,000, period. A colorist I trust told me straight up, "My grades now translate one-to-one to cinema projectors because this thing actually hits the numbers." Real users at Stephen Kuntz, the lettering legend, said, "The Pantone validation isn't marketing fluff. My brand colors finally match from screen to print." I hear the objection already, but I'm used to Apple's ecosystem. Switching feels risky. I thought the same. Then I realized I was paying Apple tax for a logo, not performance. 3 months in, my eyes don't burn at 11 p.m. anymore. My clients stopped asking, "Why does this look different?" and my desk looks like a grown-up lives here. That's why thousands of us won't shut up about the ViewSonic VP2788-5K right now. Keep watching, you'll see why.
Bottom line, you get back the confidence that what you see is what everyone else will see. No more surprises, no more late-night fixes, no more eye strain. Just calm, accurate, beautiful work. Join the thousands of designers, editors, and devs already getting real results with the ViewSonic VP2788-5K. I dropped my affiliate link in the description. Zero pressure. Just click, try it yourself. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. Either way, see you on the inside.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.